Well, that's just it. The focus should be problem solving, and everybody has problems. So you think in terms of, if I have a problem and I want to talk to someone about my problem, whatever that problem is, then that would make sense in having constructive contact with someone. But limit my conversation to problem solving. Don't let it wander off into anything else. All conversations now, particularly among subject people, desperate people, black people, all over the planet, should be about problem solving. And it's real important to think in terms of just problem solving. That means doing away with a lot of trivial activities, which the non-white people, black people of the planet, are prone to do. That means eliminate things like celebration. What type of celebration? Celebrations of any kind, period. We're not qualified to celebrate anything. Now, I know that's a bombshell with a lot of people. And a lot of people say, oh, that's nonsense. No, it's not. When you consider the desperate situation that we have been in for some time, we have not been in a problem-solving mode. We have been in a seeking festivities mode. And that makes for more problems, because many of black people's festivities, particularly in the Northwestern Hemisphere, and from what I've heard in the Southern Hemisphere, particularly places like what is called the favelas of Brazil, what you get when black people make contact with each other is a lot of hostility. And the traditional activities, which are mostly non-constructive. Drug dealing, the parties turn into gunfights, some type of animosity is spread. All of the poisons come to the surface. Just concentrated on making every contact constructive, every conversation constructive. No more random conversations. No more standing, around yawning and stretching your arms and then looking for something to say and just saying anything when nothing constructive comes to mind. That's an old tradition, an old habit. It's a part of what we call standard black culture in the Northwestern Hemisphere. It should be abolished forever. It serves no constructive purpose whatsoever, and it's very destructive, even when it appears not to be. Particularly, the closer the people are to you, whatever that closeness means, then it definitely should be more constructive. Otherwise, it's going to wind up being trivial conversation that's going to lead to some type of hostility. Well, that's just it. The focus should be problem solving, and everybody has problems. So you think in terms of, if I have a problem and I want to talk to someone about my problem, whatever that problem is, then that would make sense in having constructive contact with someone.